Hello, today we are going to explore some of the factors used to value a real estate property. First and foremost, location signifies the cornerstone of real estate valuation. Properties in prime areas, close to amenities, job opportunities, and with good schools often command higher prices. Conversely, those in less desirable neighborhoods may see their value diminished. Next, the property's characteristics come into play. The number of bedrooms, bathrooms, and the overall size of the property can greatly influence its worth. A 4-bedroom house typically fetches a higher price than a 2-bedroom home, all other factors remaining equal. The property's condition also weighs heavily on its valuation. A well-maintained home with modern updates can be worth significantly more than a comparable property in need of extensive repairs. The fourth factor to consider is market conditions. Are we in a buyer's market or a seller's market? These conditions can sway property values in one direction or the other. Lastly, comparable sales or comps are crucial. Real estate professionals look at similar properties in the same area that have sold recently to help determine a property's value. To sum up, real estate valuation is a complex process that takes into account a property's location, its characteristics and condition, the state of the market, and comparable sales in the area. It's an intricate dance of factors, each playing its part to create a symphony of value. A property's worth is never static. It ebbs and flows with the market and the ever-changing dynamics of its surroundings. This has been a glimpse into the captivating world of real estate valuation. A world that's as diverse as the properties it values and as dynamic as the markets it serves. If you found this information enlightening, do consider giving this video a thumbs up. And to delve deeper into the fascinating world of real estate, remember to subscribe and share this video with others who might be interested. That's it from us today. Keep exploring, keep learning, and until next time, remember, property valuation is not just about bricks and mortar. It's about understanding the factors that make a house a home.